Matt here, Atlas Precision Consulting. In today's mass update video, I'm going to show you how to use the columns to update in the basic side of mass update. I already have a query pulled up here. Somebody has brought it to my attention that we have some washer items that are set to the price family bolt. And so when I ran my query, here's my 3 items that have washer in the description. And when I scroll over here looking for the price family, I will see that they're listed in the bolt family, which these are obviously washers. So if the basic mass update for changing things is great for simple things like this, when you're doing more complicated mass updates, the Excel query method is the way to go. But I want to show you this basic one because it is useful for things like this. Or if you created a new washer price family or product group or whatever it is and you want to do bulk changes, this is the way to do it. Just keep in mind on this side and on the Excel query side, as of this recording, I believe it's a limit of 10,000 records that you can update. Because keep in mind, it can be kind of slow doing this basic update. So I'll show you what this looks like. I'm going to search for price family. And again, it uses the inline search, smart search, whatever you want to call it, to narrow it down. So I'm selecting this and I'm saying I want to set this value to washer because I have a price family called washer. Now I can run the preview just to see what the changes would look like, but I know it would just change the word from bolt to washer. So when I hit send changes, which is basically saving, hey, all of these in my query, I want to set their price family to washer. So if I hit send, it's gonna tell me there is no backing out from this. Once you hit send, it goes. And I may have to pause the video here for a second while we're running this. Okay, I didn't. It was very quick. So what it's going to do is it's going out there and running, and it's complete already. It's this top one here. Obviously, if this was a much longer one, it would sit there and just keep being in process. But we can open this up real quick and we can see that we passed all 3. So now if I come in here and run this same query and hit preview, I should get back 0 results now. And you can see I now have 0 results. So that's how you do the simple set value using columns to update. If you guys have questions about other mass update topics, which there are more videos coming, or anything else, make sure you put a comment down below. Make sure you like and subscribe. And as always, Atlas is here for your P21 needs.